Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here, the laptop freedom warrior and internet traffic junkie. And in this quick video, I want to show you a new strategy that I'm implementing to my wealth accumulation business, and that is the investing in new technology and capitalizing on trends, leveraging systems to one, accumulate Bitcoin, and two, learn how to trade Bitcoin on autopilot to multiply your Bitcoin and accumulate more Bitcoin, which they consider now to be digital gold, right? So I apologize if I look a little crappy. It's the fall season here in Massachusetts, where I'm from, and my allergies are bothering me, so I feel like my face is super swollen. So don't pay attention to me. Just listen and watch the screen. I'm gonna walk you through a formula, a strategy that I learned from a mentor of mine, and I modeled um, his strategy and created a copy and paste system where you can start creating income with Bitcoin by accumulating Bitcoin and multiplying your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, where you can cash it in for whatever currency of your country that you're in. For me, it'd be US dollars, right? And it's a strategy to do so, right, without selling or having to recruit anyone, right? All you have to do is invest your money and let the systems and platforms do the heavy lifting for you, right? Where you earn a return on your investment passively in the form of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, right? So before I go on, please check the income disclaimer below. I am not an investment professional. I'm just showing you a strategy that I implemented into my business, right? So that I can accumulate real assets in the form of cryptocurrency and additional assets that I'll do another video about a little later on. But for now, I want to take you to the first page. Now, what you're seeing here is what I created with a copy and paste system. This is the first page that I send traffic or get website visitors to get where I can capture their information in the form of the email, and then I can continue to follow up with them and show them the complete strategy, right? And what's the strategy? If you stick to the end of this video, I'll tell you how to get it, right? So this is the first page, right, of the Bitcoin accumulation strategy, Bitcoin trading and stacking strategy. So once a person goes here, they're going to get this page. They'll submit their email address to get access to the presentation. And this is the first page of the presentation where I briefly introduce myself and the system that they're about to see. Now, the first part of the system is the passive income, totally passive. Um, and it's where you set up your
Rob Fraser
cryptocurrency
here. So
wallets,
this
right?
video
Oh, let
is
me pause this. It's where you set up your cryptocurrency wallets, where you'll be able to use your currency, whatever country you're from, right? Me, again, I'm US dollars, so I can use my US dollars to purchase Bitcoin, uh, leveraging these wallets right here. And this is where I will have my earnings sent to and where I'll be able to cash in my Bitcoin for US dollars. I'm not going to go into further detail. This video here will explain it, but you can get two different cryptocurrency wallets for free. Just go ahead and click step 1 and step 2. And then once you get that set up, you want to click continue. Now, I want to quickly also have you pay attention to right here, this Facebook Trading 101 Facebook group. This is my mentor Rob's Facebook group, where he goes into more detail on this Bitcoin accumulation strategy, and you have access to this, right, once you get started. But you want to go ahead and click continue. And the first, or I should say second step, is Vexa Global. This is the platform that you can go ahead and get started for free, become familiar with the back office. This video will give you a brief overview on how to get started, right? And me personally, I invested some earnings that I accumulate leveraging the daily commission formula, which if you stay to the end of this video, you'll get access to as well. But I leveraged the earnings from that to invest. I took a percentage of my earnings, I invested in Vexa Global, and now I am going to start seeing a return on my investment, where this company, Vexa Global, takes my investment and trades in the crypto markets for Bitcoin, and I get a return on my investment. Now, again, please check the income disclaimer below. I'm not an investment professional, and please, please, please do not put any money into this that you're not willing to lose. Me personally, the money I invested, I said to myself, I'm going to put my money here. And I know this is cryptocurrency. It's a volatile market. I can make a lot of money with it. And there's also a chance that I can lose money. So please don't invest or put any money into this that you're not willing to lose. I suggest getting started small, right? And you can get started as little as $50 with Vexa Global. Invest $50 worth of Bitcoin, right, using your crypto wallets, and then you send it to this platform, and then you'll start earning daily Bitcoin from the trading the company does with your investment, right? A return on your investment. You'll watch this video, it'll walk you through that, and then you want to go ahead and click continue. Now, this second platform is the Bitcoin Frontier platform, and this is a platform where you're going to learn all about crypto and how to easily in a simple way, like something that I can personally do because I'm new to the Bitcoin trading game, and I'm following this plan, this system to accumulate Bitcoin and multiply my Bitcoin, where I can cash in for US dollars and invest in other crypto or assets, right? So this platform will go ahead and the information you get here, you'll be able to start learning how to trade crypto, and at the same time be able to leverage this platform to get instant Bitcoin payments right to your Bitcoin wallet, right, in the previous page that you saw, leveraging this system. This video will walk you through that, and once you get through that, you want to click continue, and it'll take you to step 4. Now, I'm going to walk you through how I am leveraging the system, how am I promoting this system, leveraging Power Lead system, a marketing system to promote this Bitcoin trading and stacking formula and strategy. Now, I am going to be sending traffic directly to the series of pages you just saw around this page. You have the ability to take advantage of being a part of my team, because once you get started with Vexa Global and the Bitcoin Frontiers platform, you will get access to this very same copy and paste system that I just walked you through, that you'll be able to leverage to work for you to help you accumulate Bitcoin and multiply Bitcoin in the form of having the process or the system sold for you, where you don't have to do it. Thus, what I said, you can go ahead and get started, invest money, start accumulating Bitcoin, and you can also promote it by following the system, getting your own copy and paste system, following the steps, getting traffic to the system to stack your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now, I know I said a lot real quickly. I just wanted to introduce to you this Bitcoin trading and stacking formula that I'm implementing into my business and into the back end of the daily commission formula. Now, somewhere below this video, You have the ability to go ahead and get started with a Bitcoin trading and stacking formula yourself. You can go ahead and set up your accounts for free, get familiar with the platform. You'll be on my email list and you'll be receiving additional information where I show you how I'm leveraging the system. That being said, I'll see you on the next video.